Lumalapad na siya. I'm so happy. So there you go. I already fed Bagnet, pero hindi pa rin niya ubos yung food niya. And then, this is how crazy the room looks like. Oh my gosh. And her toys are everywhere. But that's okay. That's Queen Bagnet. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning and we were supposed to go to Enchanted Kingdom today, but then my sister researched na closed pala, so fail. So I'll just be turning this into a productive day instead. So on my list is first is paliguan si Bagnet, next is to clean the house, and I will also be doing a shoot at the Lana headquarters for another video, and maybe do a mani-pedi session with my mom later. So, I agree. First things first, coffee. This is a certificate of recognition I got from yesterday's talk, and first time ever na may Sebastian on a document. Now look at my desk's mess. That over there is Joshua's, so look at this. I clearly just passed out yesterday. Here, I'm just trying to organize stuff and put them in their respective drawers. Cleaning is a way for me to reset. I do this every week, usually on a weekend, just so I can start the week nice and fresh. I don't know about you, but when I have a clean and organized home, I get so motivated to work more and mas nakakapag-isip ako. Here, I'm using an all-purpose cleaning spray I made myself. I just use 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, and 10 drops of essential oil. My favorite is Young Living's lemon or orange. I love how it's highly concentrated and all natural. I basically use this with everything, to wipe stuff and clean the floor. Napansin ko rin na when I started making my own sprays, mas hindi na dry yung paws ni Bagnet compared to when I was using chemical cleaning agents. So if you have a kid or pets at home, it's always best to use all natural sprays. Here, I'm using a walis tambo. It's a broom you usually see in Pinoy households. I don't know, I'm just more comfortable using this compared to a vacuum. I'm old school like that. Now it's time for lunch. I did a quick visit at the cat coffee shop because this is where I'm meeting my mom and my sister for our salon session. Look at those cutie pies. Ko na tong babaeng to. Joke! Be! Say hi to the vlog! Hi! Ang gaganda naman ng mga to.
Ha? Kumusta?
Okay lang. Hi, La. Gusta? Hi, Madam. Hello! Say hi to the vlog!
Hi!
Pakita mo sa akin yung ano. 25 years old kong nanay. Actually, 18. Hindi ko to gagawin ng 25 ako.
Umarte lang.
Ganda mo, sis. Tagal niya, no?
Kasi mabagal maglatag ang mga lola.
Hello! Tapos ako ni Miko.
Ayos lang, sakto lang.
Bagong parlor yung mga madam. Nakita mo yung mga madam. Oh, ganda. Why na? Minus 10 years.
Umikot sa surplus, umikot sa Wonder Break, nasa parang department.
So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sending love and light your way, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Ako baka ano, hindi ka pa malil completely menopause. Huwag na muna ako matulog sa inyo.
Batis kira. San banda.
Hindi na muna ako matulog sa inyo.
Nakatanong siya sa akin.
Ha?
Tuloy na tayo sa bebe. Mag-ikit.
Richie! Oo, makapapa.